Home security and peace of mind is not a one-size-fits-all proposition. Now, 2 gig smart areas makes it easier than ever to personalize your security to fit your lifestyle. With smart areas, the sensors in your security system are grouped together, allowing you to arm and disarm sections of your home and business independently. Do you have an in-law unit on your property? As a smart area, your guest or renter can access the unit while the main house is locked and armed. Likewise, for a home office, keep it armed, while the rest of the home allows for free flow throughout. Do you have a package delivery? Unlock the door and open the garage for the delivery person from your mobile phone while keeping the rest of the home armed. Business owners, smart areas can keep your office space secure while the public space is open. Smart areas are easy to use, and with a self-contained 2 gig GC3 keypad, smart areas are easy for Sector 1 to personalize your needs. Call me to see what Sector 1 can do for you.